Hi, in front of me is SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now find portrait icon and tap on it. As you can see now, it says auto rotate. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always go into device settings, click on display over here, scroll all the way down and tap on screen rotation. Over here you can manage auto rotation by tapping on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is orange, that means that auto rotation is turned on, but you can always just check it out by simply turning your SONY device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!